Just towed this 2014 Chevy 1500 truck. It won't start. So we're gonna figure out why. Battery's good. Suspect it may have a bad connection to the starter. So I did a quick check before I towed it. The battery was good. Jump starting it didn't help. Wiggling wires. So had to tow it. This is a 17 or 15, depends on your model. Gotta take these skid plate bolts out. It's a couple tens. Well, looks like customer's got a leak of some kind. Maybe oil cooler line leak. All right, well, that's not what we're here for. I think there's been some tomfoolery going on under here. All right, again, that's not what I'm here for. That starter's looking pretty rough. If it's not a bad connection, it's a bad starter, looks like. Can't always tell by what they look like, but it doesn't look good.